Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be covering how to enable standard protection in Chrome on your PC. Standard protection helps keep you safe while browsing the web. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening Chrome on your PC. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once you find it, simply click to launch the browser. Step 2. Look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More button. Click on it. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options presented, select Settings. Step 4. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Click on it to open the Privacy and Security settings. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find an option labeled Security. Click on it. Step 6. Under the Safe Browsing section, you'll see different options for protection. To enable standard protection, simply select Standard Protection. And that's it. You have successfully enabled standard protection in Chrome on your PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.